I started affiliate marketing with $0, all right? And this is exactly what happened. Well, nothing really happened, but I do want to show you that I have made a lot of money with affiliate marketing. I'm just going to show you right here. I've made $455,000 selling one product, and here's another screenshot of me making $673,000. But here's the thing, all right? You have to spend a little bit of money, because the reality is that if you want to make money with business, you have to spend a little bit of money. And because affiliate marketing is an online thing, you need online tools to support it, okay? So that's the thing that you have to understand. So let's go through this, all right? So if you want to start affiliate marketing with zero, you first have to understand that the answer is that you cannot, all right? There's no way you can start any business with zero. It's just not possible. It doesn't matter if it's AI, it doesn't matter if it's online, it doesn't matter if it's offline especially. You need a little bit of money to run the business, okay? Yes, there are free tools out there, but there aren't enough good tools for you to run a solid business. Now, you don't need a lot of money, but let's run through this properly, all right? First of all, I want you to get out of the mindset that you can do things for 100% free online. Just because it's online doesn't mean that it's going to be free, okay? First of all, you need tools to support the business. That's really, really important. If you don't have tools and infrastructure to support the foundation of the business, then the business isn't going to run. If you think about a restaurant, right? What are some of the things that you need to spend money on? Well, you need to renovate the property, you need to rent the property, you need to hire staff, you need tables, chairs, you need food, you need the kitchen, you need appliances, pots and pans, right? All of these things are part of supporting the business. Now, the good thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to spend nearly as much as a restaurant business, but you have to understand that you do need tools to run the business, okay? Now, unfortunately, no tools in affiliate marketing are 100% free. Some of them are, all right, but they're not good enough for you to run a multiple five-figure, multiple six-figure, $1 million per year or more affiliate business. You just don't have tools like that. Also, there aren't developers out there that will give you these tools for free to run. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense for people to put in time to create a tool that's 100% free. Some of them have a free intro, but then after that you have to pay for it, okay? But it doesn't matter because it's not really that expensive, and I'll share this with you, right? These are the main tools that you need in order to run an affiliate business. Number one, you need a funnel builder, a website builder to build out your sales funnel, right? That is the core. Then you need a tracker to track everything, otherwise you don't know what's working and what's not. And then third, you need an email managing software to communicate with your leads on autopilot. So there aren't that many tools, it's only 3, but this is the foundation of your affiliate business. Think of it as if you want to build a 100-story skyscraper, if you don't have the right foundation, if you don't have concrete, steel, and brick at the bottom and sand, right, then you are screwed. There is no way that your 100-story skyscraper is going to stay upright, right? Therefore, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness, all right? I want you to remember this. Now, here's the thing. If you're broke right now, this is what you need to do. The solution isn't to start a business. You're not ready for it, okay? And that's okay. You need to work hard, save up just a little bit of money. You don't need that much money, right? It's not like tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, right? But potentially with a little bit of capital, a little bit of savings, it can go a very, very long way. And if you're willing to have long-term vision and you're willing to be a little bit patient, that's how you're going to win this game of breaking out of poverty, breaking out of being broke, and actually being really, really rich. Now, if you're in a situation where you can only save $1 a month, then save the $1 a month. If you're in a situation where you can only save $10 a month, then save the $10 a month. Eventually, you're going to have enough to start an affiliate business, okay? And here's the truth. It doesn't cost that much, right? So let's talk about the cost of starting an affiliate business. Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're after, subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need instruction. You need a good course, right? Now, good courses will cost anywhere from, $50, $60 all the way to $500, sometimes even $1,000, right? Now, you don't necessarily need the more expensive ones. You can find a good one for slightly lower, okay? I mean, honestly, $67 for a really good affiliate course is nothing. That is considered really, really cheap, okay? There are a lot of programs out there that cost $5,000, $10,000, all right? Save up for at least a good course. You need instructions. You're not going to be able to learn step by step how to do this just purely with YouTube videos. You learn some stuff, but a lot of YouTube videos out there send you around in circles, okay? So you do need something that's decent, okay? The second thing is the tools that actually run the business. The funnel builder, a tracker, the email manager, roughly will cost about $200 per month, okay? Now, if $200 per month is a little bit out of your reach, there are all-in-one tools where you can spend about $19 a month at the lowest, right? They're not as good as the $200 per month tools, but it's still decent enough to get you started, and then you can always upgrade later to something a little bit more premium, all right? But $19, there are tools out there like system.io, systeme.io is a decent tool, and it does everything as well, right? So literally, you don't have any excuses. I mean, honestly, if you can't save up $19 a month and $67 for a good course, you have much, much bigger problems, my friend, right? And that's okay, right? You just have to understand that if it comes to real business, remember, you're trying to build a business that can potentially make you 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 $2,000 US a month. And if you're not even willing to spend $67 on a course and $19 a month on your tools, then you have no business being in business. All right. And that's fine. You have to be ready for business, and you have to understand that you need a budget and you just have to save up. That's what I did. I saved up, I worked hard, I grew a little bit of a capital, and then that's how I went into affiliate marketing and do it right. And until you do it correctly and you're willing to not be cheap on your journey to greatness, that's the only way that you're really going to succeed. That's how I generated, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars that you saw earlier. So unfortunately, the truth is you can't start an affiliate business successfully with $0. And any video that you see online that says you can is full of shit. They don't know what they're talking about. All right. I've made almost $3 million with affiliate marketing. I've been doing it now for 16 years. I am telling you, you need the foundational tools. That is the only way that you're going to succeed. It's not just with affiliate marketing. It's any business that you try, whether it's drop shipping or AI agency or freelancing or Amazon FBA, whatever you decide to do, you need tools to back up your business, to support your business. That is the only way that you're going to grow. Okay. Now, if you're like, Aaron, no problem. I can figure out, $19 a month. I can figure out the $67. That's like $100. It's really not that much. I mean, if you can't save up $100, right, to potentially grow a multi-million-dollar business, then I don't know what to say. All right. That's just the reality. I'm sure you can figure this out. Work hard, make it happen. Even if you have to get 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs, spend below your means, save money, learn to manage the money that you have right now, and then save a little pot of capital and invest it in your skill set and your business. And that's how you accelerate to the moon, right? That's how it really works. Okay. And let's just assume that you can do that. And you're like, well, now that I've done that, how do I actually build out an affiliate marketing business step by step, right? Now that requires deeper training. So if you want access to my free 2-hour step-by-step masterclass where I literally show you exactly how I run my multi-million-dollar affiliate marketing business, it's in the comment section below and you can access that for free. See you there.